like a man, I hate her like a hammer. She's a juvenile scum, never was a critter. Kissing like a raindrop, she's got the look. Haven't let me back, cause heaven's got a number when she's spinning me around. The kissing is a color, loving is a wild dog. She's got the look. 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 What in the world can make a brighter girl turn blue? When everything I ever do, I do for you. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. The eyes naked to the T-bone as a lover's disguise, banging on the head drum, shake like a mad bull. She's got the look. Swing to the band and moving like a hammer. She's a miracle, a man of love, and it's the ocean. Kissing is the wet sand. She's got the look. 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 What in the world can make a brighter girl turn blue? When everything I ever do, I do for you. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. 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 Walking like a man, hitting like a hammer. She's a juvenile scam, never was a quitter. Just like a raindrop. She's got the look. Cause heaven's got a number that's spinning me around. Kissing is a color, loving is a wild dog. She's got the look. She she's got the look. She's got the look. She's got the look. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's got the look. She's got the look. She's got the look. She's got the look. What in the world? When everything I ever do, I do for you. Come on, yeah. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. She's got the look. She's got the look. 1, 2, 3. She's got the look. She's got the look.
Nach der Abspaltung Neuseelands wurden diese Urarten hier isoliert und entwickelten sich dann parallel weiter. In die Familie der Moas und der Kiwis. Doch neuere Forschungen brachten diese Stammesgeschichte völlig durcheinander. Die Moa-Knochen von Hanekamp-Hirn trugen ihren Teil dazu bei.
Es gibt also immer noch DNA, sogar wenn sie 20.000 Jahre alt sind?
Es gibt nur wenig DNA in den Knochen und es ist in winzige Stücke zerbrochen. Die Arbeit endet im Versuch, ein Puzzle zusammenzusetzen.
Jamie